An investor invests $50,000 today at a 10% annual interest rate. What is his interest at the end of the first year? So first, we are going to identify what we were giving in the problem. We were giving the present value of what the investor invests. That is $50,000. So P is equal to $50,000. We were also giving the interest rate per period, which is I is equal to 10% per year, right? So before we can actually calculate the interest at the end of the first year, we will need to first calculate the future value of the $50,000 the man invests today, right? And the future in this case is 1 year from now. So now we're going to go over to the manual and we are going to look for the single payment compound amount, which is to find the future value giving P. That's the first one right here. So we're going to write down that factor, which is to find F giving P at an interest rate I for n years, right? So since we are giving P, the formula becomes P multiplied by the interest factor. So now, since P is equal to $50,000, we're going to have $50,000, open bracket, giving P to find F at an interest rate I for n years. This becomes $50,000 giving P to find F at an interest rate of 10% for 1 year, right? So we're going to go over to the manual and scroll down to the interest factor tables. We are looking for interest rate of 10%. That's it right here. And we are looking for F slash P, right? For what? For 1 year. So that factor is 1.1, right? So we are going to have 50,000 times what? 1.1. If you punch that into your calculator, that would be $55,000. So the future value of the $50,000 that this man invested today at the end of 1 year is $55,000. Now, the interest at the end of the first year is going to be equal to 55,000 minus 50,000, and that would give us what? $5,000. If you want to see more problems, please subscribe. When you subscribe, it encourages me to solve more problems. I plan on solving problems on statistics, structures, mathematics, a lot of problems. Please subscribe to encourage me to do these problems. See you in the next problem.